Your brakes can do some amazing things as long as you keep them in great condition. See, when you're driving down along the highway on a sunny day with your windows down and your radio volume up, it's easy to forget you're in a massive chunk of steel glass hurtling through space at over 60 miles an hour. At that speed, if you need to stop, it could take up to the length of a football field. Now that's only if you kept your brakes in tip-top condition. Let me explain how your brakes work and how to keep them in great shape so it'll feel like your car has almost supernatural braking power. Most cars have disc brakes. Let's use your 21 speed bike and its tires as an example. The simplest explanation is if your bike tires are spinning, then you use your hands and put them on either side of the spinning tire, then push your hands together slowly. That would be a disc brake system. Now that would hurt and you shouldn't do it. In this example, the bike tire is your car tire. The shiny metal around the wheels on your bike are the rotors, which is what the brake pads make contact with to slow down your vehicle. Your hands are the brake pads, your arms are the calipers that hold the brakes. Lastly, your muscles that push your hands together is the hydraulic system that presses the pads together. Okay, so now you know the concept. In 5 seconds, here's the technical jargon. Most cars use what are known as disc brakes. This is a hydraulic system filled with brake fluid that triggers the pistons, which activates a set of padded clamps known as the calipers, causing them to squeeze together on a disc known as a rotor. The resulting friction that occurs between the pads and the rotor, which are connected to your tires by the hub, stops the car. Now you're a brake pro. To turn to a brake expert, let me tell you the top 4 symptoms you should look for to keep your brakes in phenomenal shape. The first we've all heard. It's noises like screeching or squealing when you come to a stop. The second is pulling to the left or to the right as it's drifting out of the lane that you're in. The third is pulsating brakes, where if you push down on the brake pedal, it feels like it's vibrating or pulsing. And the fourth is a mushy brake pedal. This one's a little scary. It's where you push down on the pedal and it feels like it goes straight to the floor. In this simple example, we have broken down a few of the main components to your braking system. This doesn't include the brake fluid, any of the components like springs, screws, lubrication hoses, the machining, or even the bleeding of the brake lines that goes into keeping your brakes in tip-top condition. So when we get a phone call asking, how much is a brake service? We have to run all these possible problems as well as the make and model of your vehicle and how much you drive to give you an accurate answer. This is why we like to see your vehicle and do a full brake inspection. Many times we can find reasons your brakes are not as efficient as they should be. The most common reasons are your brake pads are wearing faster than they should, wearing unevenly, or the pressure is not being applied correctly through the hydraulic system. By correcting these issues and also addressing any brake pad or rotor wear, it could extend your brake's life an additional 5,000 to 15,000 miles before being serviced or replaced, saving you time and hundreds of dollars per year. If your vehicle is not stopping effectively, showing any warning signs, or seems to be in the shop too often getting serviced, we hope you'll give us a call and let us give you a free brake inspection to find out exactly what's going on with your brakes at no cost to you. Thanks for watching. We hope this helped explain the complex braking system. And if you're having any issues, we hope to talk to you soon.